When I thought about being an engineer as a child, I thought it was going to be much more like mad professor in a garage, playing with stuff, building stuff, kind of pushing it, pulling it. And also I thought it was going to be much more mathematically intense. And I think most stuff now is not that mathematically hard if you're reasonably fluent in maths. It's also not particularly practical.
I'm interested as well in the books you've written. How many have you published? And what is it you're working on at the moment?
I've written 6. So the latest one is called The Future of Structural Design, and it's about where structural engineering could go next. So I'm seeing it as a piece of possibilism. It's like helping engineers to create the imagination infrastructure to imagine what it is they could be doing in the future. I think the reality is we're going to see more automation of sort of standardized design. Anything that you can do with a spreadsheet now will be automated more and more going forward in the future. Anything that's codified now, I assume, will become standardized in the future. Therefore, the role of the engineer hopefully will shift from someone who just sits down and produces loads of calcs to someone who is thinking about buildability. They are playing with materials. They're doing physical testing materials. So this lovely little pavilion that we're sat in, someone would need to understand the racking behavior of these panels. You can't do that with a computer or with some sort of automated process. You actually need to physically test it. As we move much more into reuse of existing buildings, we need to understand how our existing buildings are performing, how we can intervene to improve their performance.